Hello guys, welcome to Logic Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this question, which is 6 minus 6 times 2 divided by 2. So how can we find it? If you are talented, then stop the video and before watching the video, comment of this question. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then in this video I can tell you the basic rules of operation, which is very important for mathematics calculation. So don't skip this video. In this video I can tell you step by step order of operation. So guys, our solution is, first of all guys, I can write this question in this form: parentheses 6 minus 6 times 2 close parentheses divided by 2. Now here, according to PEMDAS rule, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. In PEMDAS, parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So in this fraction question I can solve firstly parentheses. So here in parentheses one multiplication and one subtraction is present. So here in PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. But remember that guys, multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So here in parentheses firstly we can solve multiplication. So parentheses 6 minus 6 times 2 equal to 12 divided by 2. Okay, now in next step 6 minus 12 equal to minus 6 divided by 2. Now minus 6 divided by 2 equal to minus 3. This is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.